I am here at the largely abandoned Fashion Square Mall parking lot. There is a Planet Fitness gym that is connected to it, and some of the traffic and parking you see over here is related to that, but the actual parking garage itself is almost completely empty. So I figured I'd take a little cruise up here and check it out, because I figured it'd be some fun riding, a little terrain. But it is very eerie to be here. It's like last man on earth kind of stuff. I mean, I remember coming here when I was a kid and how popular this place was, and not being able to get a spot. And now coming out here and really finding obviously nothing anywhere. They barricaded some of it off, which is kind of funny. I don't know why, but yeah, 3 stories of great unlimited parking for you and your family to go to the gym at the mall. That's really about all that's left. And some fun riding for sure. If you want to do some fun speed tests or something out here, it's kind of neat. But this mall is totally abandoned. Over here on the left was a JCPenney. Did not last. I think it was one of the last JCPenney's to kind of actually be a brick and mortar store. I remember coming here a couple of years ago with my wife to look at appliances of all things. Didn't make it, obviously, but it's kind of weird because this butts into the far end of the Katy Way Trail, which, if you've seen any of my content, you know I'm a big fan of. So that is probably where this gets most of the traffic, and then there's a small post office that is still basically still functional on this side of 50, and that's really about it. There's a Dillard's here. It's like a Dillard's, like a closeout store, like they don't sell new stuff, and it's pretty dead. Every so often they'll get a big drop of new clothes, and you'll get a handful of people who show up to go check it out. I'm gonna count the cars here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, about 20 cars for a massive Dillard's, which is kind of silly. They barricaded off all the other entrances, so you can only get in this way now. And then over on the back side, over here, straight ahead, is a college that is built up. They're building, it looks like, some new dorm rooms here. There's been a couple failed projects here where I believe it was Adams Mark Hotel was actually trying to buy out the rights to the to this mall. They were going to convert the mall into kind of what they did with the Florida Mall model, basically, where they were going to take and convert the mall, like put a hotel in the center and then try to build some local businesses around it. That fell through years ago. It was sold to another development firm who bought out the Sears and turned it into a massive floor and decor. And now there's a new like sushi place over there. That's really about it. It's very weird. Most of the development around here is basically catering to the Katy Way Trail. Honestly, it's a lot of businesses, there's a lot of bike shops up here, running stores, that kind of thing. That's what a majority of all of the remainder of the traffic is around here, and that's where I spend most of my time now, in this small little business district on the north end of what's left of the mall. But I'll be curious to see if they ever do anything with it, or if they're just gonna basically abandon it. Or, I mean, it is abandoned, I guess. You can go inside and walk around. There's literally nothing there. Yeah, I mean, this is where the Katy Way Trail officially starts, right here, at least in Orlando. That's really about the extent of the Fashion Square Mall. So I thought it'd just be fun to put a little video out and show it off, at least from the exterior. I'm sure there's better videos of that, with people walking around the inside. It's creepy. It is creepy. The lights still work, the music's still on, but everything is abandoned. I think there's 3 stores left in that mall. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I got more ride-alongs coming along in the coming weeks as I continue to stress and flex my limitation of riding this amazing Xafari. And I do have a video coming out soon of a deep dive of my wife's Aventon Sync 2.5. So stay tuned for that. And that's all I got. Have a good day. Get out there and ride. See ya.